dictionaries, arrays are very important data structures. Lists are mutable order collection of that can store items of different types. And if you see the tuples are immutable ordered collections, meaning their values cannot be changed after creation. Colors red, green, blue. Print colors, it will print output access. See, print colors of 1. 1 means it is red is 0, green is 1, blue is 2. Likewise. Okay, so it will print green. Dictionaries store key value pairs, allowing fast lookup and flexible data association. Student is a variable name, then a name colon Asadi, age colon 21, course AI. So print student of course, so it will print output of AI. So likewise, next Python programming built-in language features like variables used to store information to be referenced and manipulated in a program. X is a variable and assigned with a 10 value. Y is y equal to hello. Y value is hello. Now data types like different types of values like integers. 5 is an integer. 5.0 is a float. Strings. Hello is a string collection of characters and enclosed with a double quotation. Boolean is a data type. It will work for true or false. Here T and F are the capital letters. It will allow only capital and remaining letters are small. True, false. So that's why Python is a case sensitive programming language. Basic mathematical operations yesterday we have executed, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo division, and exponentiation. Like operator precedence determines the order in which multiple operations are performed. String operations like common operations like concatenation means adding two strings, like Asadi is a one string, Srinivasulu is another string. If you combined concatenation, Asadi Srinivasulu. Repetition means number of iterations. Slicing means we are cut so and so. Asadi Srinivasulu, I'll cut after Asadi, I'll cut. That is called slicing. Hello plus word, hello word. That is called concatenation. Hello multiplied by 3, it is called repetition. 3 times hello, 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 it will come. Then Python has two naming and main operators like in and not. These operators used to test if a value is member of a sequence or collection such as a list, a tuple or set. The in operator returns true if the left operand is a member of the right operand and false otherwise. Example, see here, my list is a variable and within the square bracket 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 in my list, yes, true. See, 3 is a integer, it is presented in the list. That's why it is returning true. 5 in my list, not there, it print false. Then the not operator, not in, true if the left operand is not member of the right operand and false otherwise. See the example, not in when we are using. My tuple is a variable. Within the parenthesis apple, banana, orange. 3 banana fruits names are there. Banana not in my tuple, not in my tuple. See, already banana is there. How you are using? So that's why false. Grape not in my tuple. Yes, grape is not in my tuple. True. Same, Python has two operators. What are the operators? Is and is not. These operators are used to compare the memory locations of two objects to check whether they refer to the same object or not. The is operator returns true if the two operands refer to the same object and false otherwise. For example, x is equal to 1, 2, 3, y is equal to 1, 2, 3, z is equal to x. X is y. So that is false. X is z. True. Then the is not operator when we are using true if the two operands do not refer to the same object and false otherwise. If you see the example, A is equal to hello, B is equal to world, A is not B. So that is true. C is equal to A is not C, that is false. So likewise, we are writing. Then functions. Function is a block of statements. Function is a set of rules to perform specific task. So name is equal Dr. Asadi. I am declaring a function name def is a function of greet, def space greet. Greet is a function name of name is an argument, colon, indentation, enter, and one tab, on 8 character space you need to give, one tab space. Return hello plus name. That means hello Dr. Asadi. It will give. Greet of name, if you execute, I'm calling the function greet of name. Name is equal Dr. Asadi is there. See, now if you call this function greet of name, it will print hello Dr. Asadi. So that is called function. Conditional statements, if, elif and else if. X is equal 10, if x greater than 10, colon, print greater. Elif x exactly equal 10, print equal. Else, print smaller. So now my condition is if x greater than 10, x value is 10, 10 greater than 10. See? So it will print else if x exactly equal 10, print equal. It will print equal. Condition false. Class and objects. So class and objects is a object oriented programming features. A class defines attributes and behaviors. Class, my class name is a dog. So class name always starts with capital letter D. Class space dog, colon. Then again I am declaring the function def, bark of self. It is a constructor, colon. Enter, double tab space, tab. Then print woof. So it will print, if you run the program, it will print woof. So here Python collections are 5 types. Arrays, fixed size collection. In Python we generally use list instead. Sets, unordered collection with no duplicate elements. Tuples, immutable order collection. List, mutable order collection. Dictionary is collection of key value pairs. Then now write a Python program to print arrays. So people is a variable, and within the square bracket Dr. Asadi, Josh, Jenkins. So these are the 3 names I am declaring. Then print of people. So it will print Dr. Asadi, Josh and Jenkins. Print people of 0, first element. Array index starts from 0 to n minus 1. 0 index we have Dr. Asadi. Print people 1 place Josh and people 1 Josh, print people of 2 Jenkins. Write a Python program to print list. This list equal to class, date, time, print this list. So it will print class, date, time. Then same way write a Python program to print this tuple. So within the parenthesis blue, red, green. Print this tuple, it will print blue, red, green. Write a Python program to print sets. This set flower brace begin. Apple, potato, candy. Okay. Apple, potato, candy. Print this set. Write a Python program to print a dictionaries. This dictionary equal to flower brace begin. Name is colon Charles. Name 1 Jackson. Name 2 Dr. Asadi. Print this dictionary means it will print Charles, Jackson, Dr. Asadi. So then loop statements, for and while statements. File operators, open, read, write, close files, etc. With open, file.txt or as file colon content. If you want to read any file, file.read, Excel file. TXT means text file like notepad file. So exceptions handle errors in Python with try, except in finally. Coding platforms we have Google Colab, Jupyter Notebook, PyCharm and IDLE, etc. And standard libraries like NumPy, SciPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, Matplotlib, NLTK, TensorFlow, PyTorch, etc. So you know NumPy for numerical operations, numerical Python, arrays for multidimensional matrices, etc. SciPy for scientific Python, building on NumPy. It's used for high-level computations. Pandas for data analysis library. Scikit-learn for machine learning library. Matplotlib for plotting and visualization. NLTK natural language toolkit for linguistics data analysis. TensorFlow Keras libraries for deep learning. PyTorch for another library for deep learning from Facebook's AI Research Lab. Like scripting way programs, yesterday we have seen import, if you want to clear the ideally we are using import os of cls. For Linux we are using or Mac OS terminal emulators like press Ctrl L. So why we are using Python? Easy to learn, easy to maintain, easy syntax, bulk library. It supports many technologies, database commercial support, interpreted language, high level language, because English we are using. Interpreted means translate source code into mission code. Interactive means interact with the interpreter directly to write your programs. It supports object oriented because we are using class and objects concepts. So these are the various features: easy to learn, readable language, interpreted language, dynamically typed language, open source and free, large standard library, large community support, platform independent, graphical user interface. So these are the keywords, Python keywords, value keywords like true, false, none. Each letter must be capital. Operator keywords and or not, in, is. Control flow keywords if, elif, else. Iteration keywords for, while, break, continue, else. Structure keywords def, class, with, as, pass, lambda. Returning keywords return, yield. Import keywords import from, as. So Python is a popular programming language that is widely used for developing a wide range of applications, from web development, scientific programming. Simple program: print hello world, name is equal to input of. This is a reading string, input of what is your name. Print hello plus name. Create a dictionary: person, name, John, age, 30, city, New York, etc. It will print a print person means name, it will print a John. Person of age, it will print 30. Print person, city, it will print a New York, likewise. Okay, so that is the way we are paying this one. Then arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, identity operators, membership operators you might have seen. Operator precedence, so based on the baud mass it will perform the operations like bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Operator precedence, see the example. First priority exponential, star star, then negation x plus x minus x, then star slash, then so many things. Is not is a last operator precedence. So variable is a very fundamental concept in programming. Variable are containers for stored data values, like temporary store data in a computer's memory. Create variable, name is equal to Pantech, multiple assignment, A equal to B equal to C equal to 1, A, B, C, D equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Casting, x is equal to str of 10, y is equal to float of 10. Get the data type, x equal to 10, print type of x, standard data type. So data types like numeric data type, sequence, set, dictionary, boolean, etc. So these are the operations. If you see the operations, there are many operations like boolean operations, integer, float operation. These things, cheat sheet, you need to practice it. String operations we will do now. So these are the built-in data types in Python. We will see x is equal to pycoders, int x is equal to 17, float 17.5, complex x is equal to 7j, list x is equal to red of blue, tuple x is equal to apple, banana, range 6 means it will print 0 to 6. Dictionary, x is equal to name, colon, John. Set is equal to apple, banana. Frozen set, x is equal to frozen set, a comma b. Bool, x is equal to true. Bytes, x is equal to b, pycoders. So Python basic operators. Now we will start practicals 869 amma. Okay, we will start a program now. You have to execute.